Good morning, guys. We are up here in Angeles City. Well, I'm up here in Angeles City this morning. Right behind me is the roundabout, the rotunda, and we're just going to be walking around this area. Haven't been up here in a while, and I'm just going to stroll around, do some filming up here, and show you some of the streets, some of the street vendors, and everything that goes on up in this area. It's very busy up here. A lot to see, a lot to do. You know what, if you're either visiting Angeles City or you even live here and haven't been up here, you got to come up here and check it out. It's not that bad. You don't need to be, you know, worried. Just be cautious. Keep things in your, you know, keep things tight on you. And a lot to see up here. A lot of neat things. A lot of shopping up here. But yeah, we're just going to take a little stroll around. We're going to check out this area this morning. Got the shoe repair guys. A couple of them down through here. There's a couple guys down through here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3. Got your eyeglasses. Looks like he's sewing the soles. Hey, good morning. Good morning. You like this, huh? Yeah, good morning. Good morning. All right. Hello, good morning.
Merienda.
My what?
Merienda.
Oh, no. Hindi po. Salamat. Beautiful morning. Yes, sir. Yes. See what I mean? Everybody's gonna say hello. They're gonna hi Joe. They're gonna just very friendly. I like coming up here. Like I said, it's nice up here. Puts a smile on my face. And I don't know. It's been a while since I've been up here. The speakers out here playing music. Chanilas. There's a bakery. All kinds of goodies, all kinds of sweets. Morning. Morning. TV shops. Hey, good morning. Uh-oh. We got some ice playing across the street. We got to move quickly. We got to get out of the copyright music. TV shop right there. Got to keep moving. Keep moving, keep moving. All right. Now I think we're out of danger. Good morning. Morning. Knockoffs. You can always get some knockoffs up here. Got the flowers for sale here. It smells good. Hello. Good morning. Just got a whiff of some dried fish. Some more flowers. He's waving me back. Checking out the flowers here. This is the station, the setup station. Good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Welcome to Philippines.
Very nice.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. What do you got, buddy? Rice?
Rice.
Just rice?
NFA, rice.
All right. All right, guys. Thank you. whole Holy Family Academy. I think that's a school. All right, let's check out the street people. Street vendors up here. Morning. Another McDonald's. McDonald's and Jollibee. Chow King. They're all over the place here. All right. It's like cell phone accessories. Yeah, all cell phones and cell phone accessories. Cell phone covers, cell phone cases. Everybody's on their cell phones. Hey, buddy. Good morning. Yeah, all cell phone accessories, headphones, chargers, you name it, they got it here. Beats. Real beats, I'm sure. Morning. Morning. Hey, this is row upon row of cell phones, accessories. That whole row there. Let's cross. Yeah, I'll cross the street up here. And we'll check out what's here. Watches, sunglasses, socks, belts. Sunglasses. Furniture store. I personally like walking around up here. Oh, we got music, so we got to talk over the top of the music. Big speaker. Yeah, I like walking around up here. It's like anywhere else you walk, you know what? You gotta, keep your valuables stored in your pockets, front pockets, or in your man purse, as I call it. Somebody's going to yell at me for calling it a man purse, but keep it on you, keep it in front of you, and should have no problem. People are friendly, people are walking around, people always trying to sell stuff to you. But yeah, no worries. Somebody asked me if I'm ever afraid my camera will get snatched out of my hand. It's crossed my mind, but you know what? I don't let it stop me. I do have hey, there's a guy. I do have a wrist strap that I should put on it, keep it around my wrist. But yeah, of course it's crossed my mind. Shoes, more shoes, more people. Morning. DVDs, CDs. Never bought any. I don't know if they're good or not. Never bought any. Oh, gotta get out of here quick. Morning. Thank you. Where do I want to go? Not down that way. I've been down that way. Let's go this way. across your street here. Put out my Iron Man hand and they will stop. Pawn shop. Never been in a pawn shop. What is the rate today? US. That's not right. 38, 37. That's not right. I think I seen this morning 53.25. I think that's what I seen it. Speakers. You hit these speakers all over the place here. Guy blowing his whistle over there. Get these big speakers, they sit outside these shops and just blast music. There's some underwear, Under Armour. Of course, authentic. Under Armour. Oh, those are kids. Jewelry shop. Morning. Everybody waves. Tailor there sewing. Another tailor. Look at that old sewing machine. Morning. Over here in the shade. Morning.
Hello, John.
Good morning. Good morning. Corn on the cob. Oh, she's grilling it. Grilling the corn on the cob. Oh, no, thank you. And the fruit market. Got the shoe repair guys. A couple of them down through here. There's a couple guys down through here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3. Got your eyeglasses. Looks like he's sewing the soles. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
All right. Hello, good morning.
Merienda.
My what?
Merienda.
Oh, no. Hindi po. Salamat. Beautiful morning. Yes, sir. Yes. See what I mean? Everybody's going to say hello. They're going to, hi, Joe. They're going to, just very friendly. I like coming up here. Like I said, it's nice up here. Puts a smile on my face. And I don't know. It's been a while since I've been up here. The speakers out here playing music. Chanilas. There's a bakery. All kinds of goodies, all kinds of sweets. Morning. Morning. TV shops. Hey, good morning. Uh-oh. We got some ice playing across the street. We got to move quickly. We got to get out of the copyright music. TV shop right there. Got to keep moving. Keep moving, keep moving. All right. Now I think we're out of danger. Good morning. Morning. Knockoffs. You can always get some knockoffs up here. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this morning walk up. I hope you enjoyed the walk around up here in Angeles City. Like I said, it's been a while, and I really enjoy coming up here. I like walking around up here. Everybody's friendly, smiling. Good morning, hello, Joe. I really enjoy the walk. So anyways, guys, you know what? We're coming up on almost 20,000 subscribers. And you know what? If you haven't subscribed yet, take the time to subscribe. Like, share, dislike, leave the comments below. And like I said, we're coming close to that 20. So, all right, guys, gotta head back to the store now. Journey continues, and we'll talk to you guys later.